Hi, Miss Uyen.
Hi, teacher.
Yeah, can you hear me? Ah,
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
yeah. Thank you. Okay, wait me, huh?
I'm so busy today.
Okay, so you're very busy? Okay,
Yes,
from work?
I just have a phone from our customer, and I need to call to them.
Okay.
Okay, and today's subject is unit 10, right? Unit 10, right?
Unit 10. Okay. So, by the way, wait. Can you hear me? Okay, so by the way, I have here time to talk listening. It's from Business English, but it's very short. Okay, I will try it and I will this is only to test your listening skills. Okay?
Mm.
I will show it to you after the unit 10. Just only small.
Mm.
Mm,
Ten,
unit
unit
10, 10,
10.
10, 10. Yeah.
Yes, unit 10.
But Miss Uyan, in time I can share you a lot of business English. I have so many. This is only one of the topics. So many. I will share it to you in the Zoom. I
Mm.
mean in the Zilong. I will send. So you have something to read. Okay,
Mm.
this one, prices. Okay, so we're talking about prices now. Okay, please try to read this tax. So prices, shipping costs, tax, and price code. Okay, so please read icons.
Cotton. Cotton. Cotton is famous for offering high-value products at exciting prices. Our competitors sell similar items of the same quality for twice as much. We always deliver great products at, at a fair price. Our new line of wax
Oak furniture.
wax furnitures furniture uh Brightonier Brightonier is no exception. Our basic prices, including tax, are listed on the back of this brochure, and they are very reliable, reasonable, and we
Reasonable. It's reasonable.
uh,
Reasonable.
reasonable, reasonable, and we ship anywhere in the world. Come today to get a free price course that includes on tax, fees, and shipping costs. Uh, Costs for orders within the USA includes sales tax, and we can calculate VAT for most orders outside the USA. This new furniture is well worth the goal.
Okay, so knee furniture is well worth the call. Okay, so value. Do you know the meaning of value?
Value, I know value.
Okay, how about basic prices?
Basic prices,
Yeah.
basic prices, I know.
Okay. Price code. Do you know the meaning of price code?
Uh, price, price cost, price cost. I know. Price
Okay.
cost, it means quotations.
Oh, very good. Quotations. Yeah, price
Quotation,
code.
you need to make a quotation to customer.
Quotation. It's quotations. Quotations. Price code
Okay.
quotations. Yeah. How about, okay, so fees and shipping cost.
Shipping cost, I know the shipping cost is delivery fee.
Mm-mm. Okay, so sales tax.
Tax. Sales tax. I know. I
Okay, sales.
understand the tax.
Okay, so VAT, value added tax. Do you know value? I don't
That
know. Value added tax.
that's very vast. I know. For example, in my country's tax for products includes through through include through Thai through Thai
Ah,
includes through Thai S
hmm.
Z S percent and 10%.
Oh, different? Different?
That's different.
Oh,
Some
what is
products
8%? What is 8%?
because for example in my country regarding to service
Mm.
service foods or service foods and hotels and some and some and some products as list on the government government list now.
Oh, 8%. How about the 10? 10%.
10% some materials. That's some materials for in some materials for selling for internal selling or export selling
Ah, okay. Yes, yeah, I understand.
import or import materials for import material is 10%.
Ah, okay. So in my country, Miss Huyen, it's 12% all. Very high. 12% VAT, all. Very
Mm.
high. Okay, so we have here. So before you read the passage, talk about this question. So you read this already about Phaetons. It is the famous for offering high value products at excellent prices. Okay, so you read this new line of furniture. They're offering furniture from Britannia and the basic prices excluding tax. Okay, so this is about new furniture. Okay, so we have question here. Please read get ready. Please read get ready.
Before you read the passage, talk about this question. What are some things that can affect the price of a product?
Two.
How can you get the best price on a product?
Okay, so go. So, number one, what are some things that can affect the price of the product? What do you
As
think?
you know, there are something that can affect the price of products. Uh, for example,
Mm.
uh, including cost, ada shipping cost, own taxes, fees, and local charge.
Okay.
Local fee and vast.
Okay, yes, yeah, I understand. Okay, very good. So, shipping costs and other fees. Okay. Number two, correct, Miss Uyen. Very good. Number two.
Number two, how can you get the best price on a product?
Okay, how can you get the best price on a product?
Uh, I think the first you need. I think the first you need to. I need to looking for good source, a good sources,
And
a good
yes?
that's a good sources, and it means supplier is the best. You need to have a good supplier. That's supplier who can supply to who can supply to you with a best price of goods.
Okay, yes, yes. Okay, so supplier that can supply to you the better price of the goods. Okay, so
Yes.
yes, correct.
Um,
Yeah.
uh, you need then you can save the cost of product,
Oh,
the cost
you can
save
save
the
the
cost
cost.
of products. The second, you need to find a good forwarder, to help you deliver the products from the other country, and help you to make import cotton or export cotton.
Ah, okay, yes. So,
That
how about in Vietnam? So, do you also have import and export product in Vietnam?
that
Yeah.
Now I'm in charge of import and export our product in my company in my company. So I need to rent a provider company to help me deliver the goods from China to Vietnam, and help me to make custom
Mm-hmm.
custom
Okay.
declaration, and deliveries from post Vietnam Post to customer express.
Ah, okay. So, every import and export, it has to go through with the custom in your country, in the
Mm,
custom.
that in a custom very is difficult, and is not easy. Uh, so um uh, so um So my company is a trading company. Not The trading company in Vietnam usually rents another forwarder to help them make custom declaration and deliver the goods to their customer.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, there should be a custom declaration. Yeah, I understand. Custom is very hard, very tricky. Okay, difficult, very difficult.
Not easy, because there are many hard export in Vietnam for material, and that's and one time through it one uh if you import the material one time, you can use this hard export, but the other time you can use the other hard export for this material.
Okay, yeah, yeah, I understand. Yeah, I know it's very hard. Very hard. Okay, so it's quite hard for Vietnam. Okay, the same in my country. Custom is very difficult. Okay, so we have here. So match the words in vocabulary with the definition. So please try to match this one. Let us see your vocabulary skills. So we have seven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can tell me after.
Okay, now we can work together for vocabulary. And number three, match the words 1 through 7 with the definition. A in G excludes.
Exclude. Number one is exclude. What do you mean by
Um,
exclude?
excludes is a noun.
Okay. Exclude, it means? Oh,
Uh, exclude no. Mm, F.
Okay, letter.
Tulips.
Exclude. Exclude.
D. Tulips
Okay.
are not included.
Okay, very good. To leave or not include. Okay, please, you can answer in your paper. Tax. What is tax?
Tax. Money that government collects.
Okay, the money that the government collects. Okay, that is. Okay, next is fee. What is fee?
Fee is money that is paid for some service.
Correct. Money that is paid for some service. Worth. What is worth?
Worth. Worth là gì nhỉ? Worth là high value à? High value.
Okay, valuable. Okay, it is letter A.
Valuable.
Okay,
Valuable.
valuable. Valuable.
Valuable.
Valuable. Okay, next. Shipping costs.
Yeah. Shipping cost. The amount of money charged to a customer in order to deliver an item.
Very good. That's shipping cost. Whenever we order, we have shipping costs. Okay, next is sales tax. What is sales tax?
Sales tax. An extra tax added to purchase that goes to government.
Okay, so it is an extra charge added to purchases that
That's
goes to the
extra tax.
government. Okay, basic price.
Basic price. The final is the amount. The amount of product we cost before additional charges are added.
Are added. Okay, added. Okay, so basic price, this is the added. Oh, yeah, added. Okay, before the basic price, okay, before the extra charges are additional, the basic is the amount. Okay, yes, very good. You understand all, right?
That's
Okay,
true.
so vocabulary works on good. Okay, so we have here the speaking skills. Okay, with the point, okay, please read.
Overflow. No.现在 speaking up
Speaking.
with the partner account the roles below based on the dialogue from task 6 and with those. Now let me. How can I help you? I'm calling. You are a salesperson. Tell student B the price of products includes basic price including tax and extra fees. Hello, my name is Huyền from Prodomolo Chami, Vietnam. How can I help you? How can I help you?
You are a salesperson. Tell student may the price of product include. Okay, so again, okay, go first. Come again. Okay.
Hello, my name is Huyền from Prodomolo Chami, Vietnam. I'm calling about the require of the eight products manufacturers is Hankook. Do you want a bright code, right?
Okay, so I want to have the price code for that particular product that you offer. What is the best product and the best price code?
Before code, before send user question, I need to ask some question for for the best price for you. And I just want to know what delivery term does you need? What delivery term does you need? For example, DAB or DDB. DAB is DAB meaning DAB term is meaning is I will help you to make export custom and delivery the goods to the factory. Or the DTB term meaning is I will help you export to make export and import custom. Then delivery the goods to the factories.
Okay, so can you help me with the second one?
Second one, you choose, that mean you choose DAB term, right?
Yes.
Okay, DAB term, right? And let me check could you please find me the hard cost of the products?
Okay, yes.
That hard
Can you
code.
give me? Yeah, can you give me the price quotation with the second choice?
Before I quote to you, you need to buy me the products of the hard code of the products.
Okay, yes, go.
I okay, I received the products of hard code. Hard code is a U 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 1, 2, 3 and adhesive products. Adhesive products is includes 10 for based on Vietnamese government. The has that code VA need to include 14%. 14% includes 14% import tax and import tax and 10% and 10% VAT tax.
Okay.
That's 10 VAT tax. Local
10%.
tax that for the shipment local tax is a $25 one shipment. And the
Okay.
cut price is the $10.
Okay. So is the delivery, is the shipment included in the price?
That, and I will call to you. I will send you the quotation.
Quotations.
That the quotation as at 11 a.m. Today morning and includes all tax and delivery the wood to the factory.
Okay. How about extra fees?
That's extra fee. Extra fee follow extra fees pay on the local exactly the local tax. And and our quotation includes own of extra fee and tax and cost.
Okay. So extra fee is included as well as shipment. That's very good. So can you please send all the quotations, your price quotations, so I can check it later?
Okay. Thank you for the inquiry, and I will.
Thank you for the inquiry. Yeah, thank you for the inquiry. Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you for the inquiries, and I will make a quotation as soon as possible and send you before 11 a.m. today morning.
Okay, thank
The
you.
price that the price includes on tax and extra fees and delivery to then delivery fee to the factories.
Okay, yes. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yes, okay, that's good. That's a good conversation skills. Using or you are the salesperson and you will gonna tell me as a customer about anything here. But you are very good in giving detail. That's very
Mm.
good. I know that's your job. That's your job. You give a lot
Okay,
of detail.
considering about our new products as the
Okay, this
parents.
one. Okay, now check the sentences that uses the underlined parts. Okay, look at this one. Okay, so check the sentences that uses the underlined parts correctly. Okay, good value number one. Letter B is shipping cost. Which of these two sentences that uses the
A good deal
underlined
is
parts
rare.
correctly?
No,
Okay, can you?
incorrect.
Okay, what is correct? A or B in number one?
Customer pay shipping costs when pick up. Customer pay shipping costs when picking up goods. Um,
Okay,
this
what?
sentence it is not correct. Correct is either either chấp
A
nhận
or
đều là gì nhỉ?
B?
You mean A or B is not correct or correct, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. A, which is correct? Good value and shipping
I I
cost.
think I I think A sentence is not correct.
Okay, letter A is not correct for you.
That I think is not correct for you. For me.
Mm. Customers pay shipping costs when picking up goods. Letter A is not correct. And letter B
Customer
is?
that certainly customer that certainly customer this sentence is correct because customer certainly need to pay shipping costs when picking up goods.
Correct. Okay, yes. Okay, number two. Look at number two. Basic price and VAT.
Um, no, I think the basic style of this travel include only includes the cost price,
Hmm. The
not
basic
include
price.
on tax and fees.
Oh, number one, basic price, letter A or letter B? Letter which is
Uh,
correct?
number two, A sentence is incorrect.
Okay, correct. Yes. The A sentence is incorrect. Why? Basic price, why?
Mm, the basic price.
Why this not correct?
Uh, sorry, let me con to my boss.
Okay,
He
okay.
he 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 uh he he is having he is having a visit to China and he come to me.
Okay, yeah, it's okay. Okay, Miss Uyen, done?
Sorry, teacher. Sorry, teacher.
Okay. Okay now?
Sorry, so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, so you have here. Okay, Miss Huyan, I have class at 12
Hear you?
a.m. Yeah,
Can't hear you.
yeah,
Mute.
yeah, I'm okay. I can hear you. I'm not muted.
I can hear you. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, so sorry, so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. So let us finish this. Miss Huyan, I have class at 12. Sorry. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No
So
problem.
number three, please answer number three.
Okay, number three is consumer compare the price quote from different
Shops.
consumer. That's correct. The salesman asked the sales tax in order to increase his. No, B is incorrect because the sales tax. That's because sales tax is you need to submit the uh, the customer or the
Oh,
country customer.
yes. So letter B is incorrect. Letter A is
Yes.
correct in this one. Consumer compare
Okay.
price quotes from different shops. It's correct, so you can compare. But letter B, you are correct. Sales tax. Okay, yes, correct. Okay, so here. Now we have here. Okay, so I will let you listen a little bit about time to talk, okay? Oh, wait me.
Okay, thank you for the today.
Yeah.
So
Wait
I
me.
miss the time.
Wait, I will let you listen listening skills. Okay, please listen this one.
Mm.
Okay, this one. This is listening skills.
Okay.
Please try to listen.
Mm.
Okay, listen.
Track 1.
Okay, can you hear?
So, tell me about your interests. What do you like doing in your free time?
Well, I'm really interested in history and politics. I like watching the news on TV, and I really love reading history books.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. Are you interested in politics?
Well, no, actually. I'm not really into politics. I mean, I watch the news, but actually, I really love music. How about you?
Oh, yes. I quite enjoy going to concerts and the opera.
Right. Well, me, I really like listening to heavy metal. I like Dogface and the Broken Ankle Band.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I really love playing the drums.
Ah, I see. Not too loud, I hope. I don't really like noise.
Noise? It's music, man.
Okay, so based on what you hear, what can you say about that? What the two people are talking? So this is zero track one for business English listening. Okay, so what do you think the two people are talking?
Conscious.
Okay, they are talking about concert. What else?
Conscious. And then the man's favorite is the history.
Okay, yeah, they're talking about history and politics. Oh, history and
Politics.
politics. Yeah, politics. And the man
Politics.
loves politics.
Politics is what does it mean? I don't know politics.
Politics, like in my country, we have president, vice president, senator in they are the one who lead in the country. I don't know in Vietnam. Is it president or minister? In your country, it's politics. In my country, it's politics. We have president.
The tax.
Mm-hmm. The one.
President, my country is okay. That's our country. That's our president in my country. Have just died.
We are
And
under
police,
democratic. Yes, we are under democratic. So, president, they are the one politics. We call it politics. Yes. Right? Miss Wen, how about you? You have president. In your country, you have president.
our president is Nguyễn Phú Trọng, but he have just died for on July 19.
July 19.
Die. That's democratic country.
Yeah, democratic country. So we have that for democratic country. Okay, our system of government in Philippines is democratic. That's democratic country.
This part of where our
Yes.
president in my country have just passed away.
Really? Pass away.
And that's just passed away, and on 19, that's on July 19, and
It passed away. Oh, that's so sad.
that's we really in my country is our really we really like him, and we will hold a state funerals for him on July 25.
Okay. July 25. This July?
That's this July.
Oh,
Hold the state funeral for him.
oh, state in Filipino.
July 25. That's
Okay. How old is he? How old?
80 years old.
Oh, very, very old. Okay. So that is politics, Miss Uyen. Politics, it means the one who is in the government. They are politics. We call it politics. Yeah. So in the text, in the audio, we hear the man said he loves politics, history, and read history books. But he doesn't like noise. He loves music, but he doesn't love noise. But the woman loves concert, right? You hear that? Did you hear it?
No.
Okay, okay.
Please repeat again. I want to listen again.
Okay, yeah,
one
yeah.
time.
Okay, go.
Track 1.
So, tell me about your interests. What do you like doing in your free time?
Well, I'm really interested in history and politics. I like watching the news on TV, and I really love reading history books.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes. Are you interested in politics?
Well, no, actually. I'm not really into politics. I mean, I watch the news, but actually, I really love music. How about you?
Oh, yes. I quite enjoy going to concerts and the opera.
Right. Well, me, I really like listening to heavy metal. I like Dogface and the Broken Ankle Band.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I really love playing the drums.
Ah, I see. Not too loud, I hope. I don't really like noise.
Noise? It's music, man.
Okay.
Okay, okay, I just think I just listen again and the dialogue between a man and a woman, they talking about common Chinese. They talking about they are talking about they win that's ở đâu nhỉ? What do they win? Ở đâu? What win they do chứ? What win they do when they have a free time?
Correct. Yeah. What will they do when they have free time? So they're talking about their free time. Okay, correct. So Miss Huyen, I will send to you the audio 2 and 3 in the Zelo so you can hear first for the next lesson. Is it okay? I will send the audio first so you can hear properly.
Okay.
Okay? So, okay. Yeah, thank you so much for today, Miss Huyen.
I want to ask you you send me the listening audio and
So you can hear.
you have a script. You have a script
Oh,
of
I will
the
find the
listening
script.
audio.
I will find the script.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, when will we see each other again?
Okay, thank you so much. And we will see you tomorrow.
Okay,
I will
what?
see you tomorrow. Are you free tomorrow?
What time tomorrow?
What time tomorrow is suitable for you?
Like 9 a.m. Are you okay?
9 a.m. Okay, 9 a.m. is okay for me tomorrow.
I will send the audio first.
That's but there is some cover from my past
Okay. Yeah, it's
and
okay.
I need to touch.
Yeah, it's okay. I understand. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow, Miss Huyen, for the lesson. By the way,
Okay.
do you like the business English class? Do you like this? You like it? It's okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So after this, we can.
Because I want to actually I just want to practice speaking English with you and any topic or any subject is okay for me because my purpose is practicing speaking English.
Okay, yeah. But I will comment, your English now is quite good. You can communicate straight, unlike before. So now you can communicate to me and I understand your English. So before it's very hard for me, but now Miss Huyen, great job because you can explain sentence. You can explain well. That's very good. That's best improvement. So we need the listening skills also for you to explain what you hear. Very important. Okay? Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
I think I know.
Yes, thank you.
You know my English skill is improve, right?
I understand. Your English improve. Oh, so please do not be shy to ask me some of the word. If you can't understand, please ask me. Okay? Please ask me.
Okay.
Okay, yes. If
Okay,
you
thank
pronounce
you.
the
Thank you
word
so much.
properly, if you cannot pronounce the word properly, please ask me. Okay?
Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much for
Okay.
the lesson today.
Welcome. See
Okay,
you
bye-bye.
tomorrow.
Bye-bye. I need to work. Bye-bye.
Okay.